Well, getting back to work is a big part of our new series, The Rebound Milwaukee. The confusion over unemployment elevated with the Supreme Court's ruling against the Safer at Home order. We heard from you and we took your questions to the State Department handling unemployment claims. Sean Gallagher reports.
Many of you tell us you still have not received benefits from the Department of Workforce Development. And now with the state reopening, jobs are coming back. So what does that mean for you?
It's scary.
Cheryl DeVries works as a server in Genoa City. Her last day of work was March 20th, and she's yet to receive unemployment benefits. With word the state's reopening, she says she'll be back to work next week, whether she feels comfortable or not.
I'm almost broke, so I do need the money. I need the money very bad.
I mean, just kind of go on day by day. We kind of just go through what we have in the cabinets to eat, and we tell our landlord we'll give him the rent when we can.
Terrence Ivy actually found a new job after he was laid off in April. He also hasn't received unemployment benefits, and he can't afford to not work.
I don't have a choice but to work because I don't have unemployment. And I do have friends and family, but they also are in the same situation.
The Department of Workforce Development says regardless of the state reopening, they're still looking to hire hundreds of employees to help fill the backlog of unemployment benefits. People who qualified will still receive those owed benefits even if they are heading back to work under the new order.
Any eligibility issues they have for regular unemployment, they would be still due those back payments of anything that may have been held thus far.
For those who still won't be going back to work, the pandemic rules will still apply. There will be no 1-week waiting period for those applying for benefits, and you won't have to supply weekly job searches. However, if your employer offers you your job back, you may have to take it, regardless of your concerns for your health.
The employees, if they had a concern with their personal safety, but the thing is it would need to be proven that their safety was jeopardized.
Both Cheryl and Terrence want to get back to work to earn a living, but they're returning to the workforce because they don't think they have any other choice.
Because I have to have a job. I have to have money coming in. I'm the only person, in my house.
I'd rather be alive and poor, We can come back, but we're going to lose a lot more lives, and we can't get those back.
So here's the rebound rundown. There is no 1-week waiting period until next February, and the weekly job search is waived until September. If your old job is available, you will likely need to return, though the DWD says they review job refusals on a case-by-case basis. For the Rebound Milwaukee, I'm Sean Gallagher.